Welcome to Slightly But Not Official. Today we have a very big basketball player and the best of the best as he tells us. Welcome, Jack.
Man, the door be just a little too small, I see. Ha ha ha.
Hello. And to whom are we speaking today, sir?
You talking to me at Jack Flash to you, sir. The best of all basketball that plays on any court anywhere.
You're a little confident about yourself today. I have a few things today for you to answer. You look like you couldn't hit a loop anywhere on the court to me, ha ha ha.
Well, I don't think I like what you're saying about me like that. You have me to come here in this rundown office and tell me that. You're full of shit, man.
Hold on here, Jack buddy. You're tackling me wrong here, sir. I need one more question for you, sir. For when I warn you, you're here on your behalf and I can see you need to calm down. Your short fuse is hot and I'm going to ask you to leave.
I'm going to whip your ass, old man.
Well now, I like a little rumble before lunch. And I think you're going to just leave or you're going to have one really big hangover on the shelf on hand. Little man.
I'm going to stuff your old ass in the shitter.
For when the restroom you call a shitter is closed, then you're going to look funny with this spiky ball bat hung up on your body. Just leave and you'll be okay. Okay, you ask for it. On my he's a robot. Well, I guess he quit the mess. I need to clean up crew up here.